you ever wondered how to get fit without expensive gym memberships? Meet Calisthenics, a powerful exercise method gaining traction across the USA. It's not just about working out, it's about embracing a lifestyle that emphasizes strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. Accessible to everyone, regardless of fitness level or budget, Calisthenics is transforming the way we approach fitness. So what makes this method so appealing? And how can it revolutionize your routine? Let's dive into the world of calisthenics and explore why it might be the perfect workout solution for you. Ready to redefine your fitness journey? Stay tuned for more insights into its benefits and types. Have you considered a workout routine that strengthens your body without expensive equipment or gym memberships? Enter Calisthenics, which enhances strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular health. Whether you're building muscle, improving range of motion, or keeping your heart healthy, Calisthenics offers a comprehensive solution. Many believe it's only for the ultra-fit, but Calisthenics is accessible to all. Exercises can be tailored for beginners and still challenge seasoned athletes. The best part, it can be done anywhere. Your living room, a park, or even your office. Calisthenics is cost-effective, requiring no fancy gear, allowing you to save money while gaining health benefits. By breaking down misconceptions and showcasing its benefits, Calisthenics emerges as an effective exercise method for all. Stay tuned as we explore various types of calisthenics exercises that cater to every fitness level. In the world of fitness, calisthenics stands out for its adaptability and effectiveness. Today, we're diving into the diverse exercises this discipline offers. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned athlete, calisthenics provides options tailored to your level. Let's begin with the basics. Push-ups, pull-ups, and squats form the foundation of any calisthenics routine. These exercises target multiple muscle groups, building strength and endurance without elaborate equipment. For those seeking more of a challenge, calisthenics doesn't disappoint. Advanced practitioners can explore movements like muscle-ups, planches, and handstand push-ups. These exercises demand strength and improve balance and coordination, pushing the limits of what the body can achieve. But what if you're somewhere in between or looking for something unique? Calisthenics accommodates all fitness levels with variations tailored to individual needs. Whether you're modifying a push-up to make it easier or adding resistance to a squat for extra challenge, there's always a way to adapt. This versatility makes calisthenics appealing. It meets you where you are, offering a scalable workout that evolves as you do. No matter your starting point, there's always a path forward, helping you build strength, flexibility, and confidence. As we continue our exploration, remember that calisthenics is more than just a workout. It's a journey toward better health and fitness. In our next segment, we'll guide you on how to begin your own calisthenics adventure. Stay tuned and get ready to embrace this transformative form of exercise. As we conclude our journey, let's recap the transformative power of calisthenics. From enhancing strength and flexibility to boosting cardiovascular health, these exercises offer numerous benefits. Whether you're a beginner mastering push-ups or an experienced athlete tackling advanced movements, calisthenics caters to all levels. Its beauty lies in simplicity and accessibility, needing no costly equipment or gym memberships. Now is the time to embrace this empowering fitness journey. Why not start your calisthenics routine today? It's a step towards a healthier, more active lifestyle, offering both physical and mental rewards. Remember, every movement counts, and the first step is always the most important. Picture yourself achieving your fitness goals with ease, feeling stronger and more confident with each session. Let calisthenics be the catalyst for change in your life, driving you towards better health and well-being. So take that leap, challenge yourself, and discover the endless possibilities that await. The journey may begin with a single push-up, but where it leads is entirely up to you. Start today, embrace tomorrow, and transform your future with the power of calisthenics.